Welcome to our channel Giggle and Learn with us.
Dee, why am I getting tired? My body is acting funny.
Haha, that's because your body has super organs working inside.
Super organs? Like superheroes?
Yes! And today, we are going inside our body to meet them.
Brain.
This is your brain, the boss of your body.
Boss? Like you?
Even bigger boss. It helps you think, learn, and remember.
Oh, that's why I remember chocolates.
Heart.
This is your heart.
It's making sounds.
Yes, it pumps blood all over your body. That's why you feel thump, thump.
My heart is dancing.
Lungs.
These are your lungs.
They look like balloons.
Exactly. They help you breathe in oxygen and breathe out air.
So that's why I can run and shout.
Arms.
These are your arms.
I use them to eat, pray, and hug.
Yes! Arms help you lift and hold things.
Legs.
These are your legs.
They help me run fast.
Yes! Legs help you walk, run, jump, and dance.
Teeth.
Now, let's talk about your teeth.
I have tiny teeth.
Those are milk teeth.
Milk teeth? Do they drink milk?
No, they fall out when you grow bigger.
And then?
Then you get 32 strong adult teeth.
Wow, so many! I can eat lots of food.
So, Issue, what did we learn today?
Our body has super organs.
Wow! And they help us think, breathe, move, and eat.
My body is amazing.
Take care of your body, kids! And like this video.
And subscribe for more fun learning.